Hey everyone, Dax here from Rhythmjuice.com. In this video, I'm going to share with you several variations on the Shim Sham break. Frankie Manning's birthday is coming up on May 26th, and the Frankie Foundation is organizing a Shim Sham relay, 8 p.m. your time, where everyone from around the world is going to flood social media with hopefully 24 hours of Shim Sham yummy goodness. Now, Sarah and I are super excited to take part in the relay, and if you plan on being part of the relay too, we want you to comment below with Shim Sham time. The Shim Sham is a super sweet and simple routine, which gives so much opportunity for personal style and expression, especially on the break, which happens 4 times in the routine, and if you count the freeze choruses as well, another 4 times. So we thought it'd be a cool idea to share with you, because we're all working on our Shim Shams right now, even us, some of the variations that we use to replace the break with something a little bit more spicy. And if you haven't yet gotten out of just doing the basic break step, this is a really good opportunity for you to explore some personal style. Here's a few tips on how this is going to work. First, I will demo my break from the front so that you can kind of see the styling of it. Then I'm going to turn my back to the camera. We're going to go through it really slow to count so you can catch any of the details. Then I'm going to do it faster to kind of challenge your ability to do it. And right after that, you're going to see a demo to music. The music is actually going to be the last 8 count or last 2 8 counts of Spending All My Rainy Days With You by Glenn Kreitzer. I'll post links below so you can check out that song. Also support Glenn in all of the amazing music he's making. Thanks, Glenn. Love your stuff. So that's pretty much how this is going to work. And there's one other little note. All the breaks are going to start on count 8, 8 on the right foot, and end on 7. Now, what we're used to doing in the basic 4, 5, 6, 7 is ending on our left foot. And if I were to, let's say, go into my crossovers, it would be a pretty standard thing. But if a variation does put you on the right foot, 8, 1, 2, 3, a 5, 6, 7, for example, you're going to have to resolve a 8 out of that, or whichever step you're going into. Just know it shouldn't matter which foot the variation ends on count 7. There is a way to resolve into the next, but I'm going to leave that up to you. Let's get started. A slight variation on the basic, which I actually got by watching the music demo from his instructional video. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go through this nice and slow. We're going to be getting started 8 on the right foot, and the key difference here is that chug on count 1 and 3. A 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reset, a little faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reset. The TOBA break with a turn and an open on 6. 8, 1, 2, 3, a 5, 6, 7. Let's try that together nice and slow. 8 on the right foot to begin. A 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, a 5, 6, 7. Reset, a little faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, a 5, 6, 7. Reset. The swivel break, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try that together nice and slow. 8 on the right foot to begin. A 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7. Reset. A little faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7. Reset. The Gene Kelly break, 8, 1, 2, 3, a 5, 6, 7. Named after this motion here, which I've seen him do in Moses Supposes. Let's try that together nice and slow. a 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, a 5, 6, 7. Reset. A little faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, a 5, 6, 7. Reset. The leg wobble break. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try that together nice and slow to start. 8 on the right foot to begin. A 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reset. A little faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reset. The twist and lock. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try that together nice and slow. 8 on the right foot to begin. A 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7. Reset. 5, 6, 5, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reset. The super reverse triple break. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, a 6, 7. Let's try that together, nice and slow to start. 8 to begin. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, a 6, 7. Reset. A little faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, a 6, 7. Reset. A crazy syncopated break. 8, 2, 4, a 6, 7. Let's try that together nice and slow. 8 to begin. And if this little riffle isn't working, you can step chug instead. A 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, a 6, 7. All together, one more time, a little faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, a 6, 7. Reset. Now it's time for you to apply some of these fancy variations to the actual Shim Sham routine. And remember, anytime the basic break happens in the routine, you can replace that moment with one of these choices, or you can come up with some of your own variations. And if you're interested in seeing all the variations we offer for this dance step, I'm gonna post a link below to break variations on rhythmjuice.com. And what's also awesome is when you watch the videos on our website, what happens is you have access to the additional tips and insights. You're also going to be able to drill the steps with our player looping features and upload a self-assessment video if you wanted to do some side-by-side comparison and see if you're getting the step right. And remember, there is a worldwide Shim Sham relay coming up on Frankie's birthday, May 26, 8 p.m., your time, 2020, depending on when you're watching this video. And we look forward to you taking part in that. If you use any of these steps, be sure to tag us, Rhythmjuice or Dax and Sarah, so we can come check out your video of the Shim Sham and give you guys some props. And if you don't know the Shim Sham, let's talk about a few opportunities to learn it. First, I recommend checking out Frankie Manning's instructional DVD where you can learn it from Frankie himself. We also have a course on Rhythmjuice, Frankie Manning, Shim Sham, where you have details on the technique of all the steps, ideas for personal styling, plus our player features, which allow for you to drill and loop the steps. You can also search on YouTube for a free tutorial, Shim Sham tutorial. There's tons of information out there. Either way, I hope you choose to learn the Shim Sham and join the relay on the 26th. Also, be sure to check out the Frankie Manning Foundation website. If you have the means to make a donation, that would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's pretty much it for today, you guys. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. I'm going to show you 10 or 20, I don't even know how many there were. This is getting long again. What am I trying to say? May 25th, May 25th. Do. Shorten your practice section. Section.